engines. And on today's video, we're gonna be working on our 69 C10. Oh, sorry, 62. We're gonna be doing something I've been wanting to do since the very first time I got the truck. We're gonna be going ahead and installing an aftermarket steering wheel. As you can see, I went ahead and got like a vintage looking steering wheel. Like, these are really cool. If y'all seen like the videos on the channel, then y'all will know that this is the same steering wheel that came with our 71 C10, which I absolutely love, and it makes it look like a little race truck. But yeah, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and put on a new aftermarket steering wheel on our truck. And also, guys, I went ahead and got the hardware right here. And just so y'all know, if y'all want to do this to your truck, I actually went ahead and got this R-Zone. It was actually a promotional discount, so I think they're like $40, and I went ahead and got it for like 25 because it was a special deal. So I went ahead and bought it right away. And then also I went ahead and bought this installation kit. It should fit the truck. Like, it tells you like in the back like what fits and all that, like Chevy, like all Fords, Cadillacs, Chryslers, anything. If you want to do this yourself, you just have to make sure you get the right installation kit, or it will not fit the hub that you need to fit. Alright, guys, and if you saw my video about bringing back a small block Chevy 350 back to life, I'm still haven't given up on that project. We still, as you can see, I took out one of the head cylinders, and I've been working on it also, and also been recording it, but it's just been taking a little bit longer because it just takes a while. And then back of me, I know you can't see it, I'm actually doing some head valve right now. I'm trying to set the valves, and I got like new rockers and push rods and all that. But yeah, and in case you ever wondered about that project, we are still doing it and still chipping away at it. But yeah, but that will be like a later video altogether. It's just it takes a long time, and I still have to do this side as well, and then put the engine back together. But yeah, just a little update in case y'all were wondering about that. Alright, guys, but unfortunately we're not gonna be able to do this project here inside the garage because as you can see, I got my boy Pegasus, my Camaro, torn apart. I'm actually changing some sensors in the very back of the engine that went bad, and right now I have the intake and all that off, and also a bunch of stuff disconnected. So we won't be able to do the video in here, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it outside where it's a little bit more bright and sunny, because it's a beautiful day outside anyway. Alright, guys, well, you also want to see why I want to fix this, because you can see that this steering wheel, like, it almost hits my my thighs, and that's not ideal. Like I feel like I don't have enough room. Like, it's just a giant steering wheel we want to get rid of. The first thing is we're gonna go ahead and get our 1/2-inch ratchet. And I have a socket right here. I actually don't, oh, it's a 24, I believe. And looks like it's gonna work. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the steering wheel really quick. Extend the ratchets. See if we can do this. Oh, yeah, there we go. Go ahead and put the nut back so when I pull it, it doesn't like hit me in the face, because that'll be really, that'll suck a lot. Alright, guys, so it's been a while and I'm finally able to take off this. I had to use some good old WD-40, some also like a few different hammers, but now we can go ahead and see if we can take it off. Oh my god, and just like that, we have the steering wheel off. Well, actually, if before y'all take off the steering wheel, I should probably make sure that like your wheels are pointing straight. I forgot to do that, so let me go ahead and see. They're kind of straight. I'm just gonna go ahead and just turn it a little bit more, and that seems pretty straight to me. So we're gonna go ahead and leave it like that. So I'm not sure how well y'all can see this, but this steering wheel was like at its last few days. You can see right there, it's all cracked. It's cracked all over the place right here. Honestly, this was just like a safety hazard. So we're gonna go ahead and put the new one on. But let's go ahead and start putting on the installation kit. Alright, guys, we're gonna go ahead and put this piece first. This is like the one that it's actually the adapter. So we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of our grease, just a little bit of grease, so like it won't be grinding with all the good. I don't even know if you're supposed to do this, but let's see what's up. And now, and also there's a guide here that you can go ahead and put in. So this piece just goes on here like this, and there's like a little guide. You just push it through. Alright guys, just like everything, go ahead and connect this. And then this just locks on like that. Awesome! Alright guys, and this is the final product. As you can see, it looks so freaking cool, way more better than the last one. Cool, there we go. It looks really cool. I like how it came out. It looks super sick, and also looks like a classic, like it's supposed to be in this. And alright guys, well this is a little before and after. As you can see, this is an ugly old steering wheel. Heck, that looks ugly. And we got the brand spanking new racing one. As you can see, it looks so freaking cool. I love these steering wheels. It looks like a little hot rod truck now, and just makes the truck look better at like in every place. But yeah, that's the little update. I really like how it came out, and you can do this for your own truck as well or car. Alright guys, but another thing to keep in mind is that like some of y'all do this like this is like a universal kit, so like it might be different for every car. As you can see, I didn't use all the stuff that the kit came with, and also because I didn't connect the horn because my horn for the wire is actually ripped. It's not working, but I'll go ahead and fix that another day. I just want to get the steering wheel on. And the horn does work, because when I was messing with it, I guess I completed the circuit and it actually worked and everything. So yeah, so that's super cool. So we're gonna go ahead and call it good for this project. Alright guys, well as you saw, the steering wheel came out super freaking cool. I actually wanted to go ahead and drive it, but unfortunately I can't, because upon further review I found out that my coil does not work. It doesn't give us any more lightning that we need, so we can go ahead and turn on the truck. So I have to go ahead and order a new one. And also guys, in the next video, I'm going to tell you right now, it's going to be spicy, muy caliente. Let's just say that it involves the 71 C10, and it's going to change the appearance of it a lot. It might look a little bit funny in the beginning, but you know, just the process. But that's going to be a whole new video. But guys, so as always, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to see more future content. And I'm telling y'all, wait till the next video. It's going to be super spicy. You're gonna love it. I can't wait. Like, I'm over here like waiting on these things to get here, and I'm over here anxious. I want these days to go by quick, so I can get them delivered. But we'll just keep on waiting. But yeah guys, don't forget to share this with your fellow car enthusiasts, and I'll see you all next time. A little faster, a little faster.